Civil authorities has issued an emergency action notification in the following countries: Alabama, California, Indiana, Massachusetts, Ohio, and Texas. At 3:29 p.m. Central Daily Time, a green owl walking our neighborhoods. What is it called? Duolingo. Duolingo kills people who didn't do the lessons, and this danger level is 100%. To imitate this, read the next steps. Step 1. Delete the Duolingo app immediately. Step 2. Lock all the doors and windows. Step 3. Stay silent. Do not talk. Do not scream. Do not go outside. If you see this owl, do not take photos. Run away as fast as you can. Dial 911 immediately. If you didn't read the rules, you will die. Seek shelter. Bring food, water, medical supplies, flashlight, batteries for flashlight, and family members. If you don't bring these things, you starve, you die, you are killed by Duolingo, you see dark, you lose batteries, and with saving. Stay tuned for more information.